1 out of 5 men suffer of a condition known as limp pull start rope, also known as the whiskey dick rope. Do you suffer this condition? Don't worry, today I'll teach you how to get your mojo back. Welcome to another video. This is your Tactical Power Pro, and today we'll be working on how to repair a soggy or a broken pull start rope. But before we begin, please subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to reach 5,000 subscribers by the end of 2025, and I know that with your support, we're going to reach that milestone. Alright, so let's start by removing the pull rope assembly. Okay, so in this situation, the rope is not broken, it's just a little bit loose. See how it hangs? It should be tight. So to repair this issue, all you gotta do is start by pulling out the entire rope as such. While pulling the rope, always remember to put pressure on the recoil wheel with your right thumb. Once you have the entire rope out, then from the inside of the assembly, pull the rope back in until the handle touches the assembly. Keep pressure on that right thumb. Don't let it go, because if you do, it will scare the crap out of you and it will quickly pull the rope back in. Now grab the rope and turn the recoil wheel counterclockwise. Remember to always keep pressure on that right thumb when you're not turning the wheel. In this case, one full turn counterclockwise will be enough. Other cases may require 3 to 4 turns. Now grab the handle and pull the rope all the way out. And slowly remove pressure out of the right thumb and let the rope recoil back in. Before we just flopped around, but now it pulls nice, strong, firm, and steady.
That's what she said!
Okay, cool. So we repair a loose, limp rope, but how do we repair a broken rope? Alright, so in this case, this pull rope is about to snap soon. So instead of waiting for it to snap, what I'm gonna cut it and replace it with a new rope. Here I have the pull rope assembly, still with the old rope. I'll be adding this new rope. It's a skinnier rope, but it's a stronger rope. So it will work great for this generator. Once you replace the old rope with the new rope, we go ahead and perform the same steps we did earlier in the video. We start by pulling the rope all the way in from the inside of the assembly. If you notice, this pull rope assembly has a slot where you can slide the rope, making it easier for you to turn counterclockwise. Once you got the rope on the slot, you can go ahead and start turning counterclockwise. And remember to put pressure on the recoil wheel with your right thumb. In this case, we added a new rope, so the recoil wheel had minimal tension. So it's gonna take around 4 turns counterclockwise for it to have the right tension. Here we reach the 4 turns. Now slowly recoil that rope back in. And there you have it. We added a new rope and retensioned the pull rope assembly. Hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate all the support. The channel is doing great, better than I expected, and I owe it all to you guys.